do everyone have a book like this? Cosmos Brown would have a children's book because there's no children that have a mathematics book. A creative writing book means was brown. Our class is right there. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to sit in this class because we're prefects. Okay, my here. Does you have extra? Yeah. Okay, so what's the poetry that did to the extra book now? Yeah, give this book to him. Okay. Okay. So now you're gonna turn. Where did you guys stop? Turn to this place, please. My own story. Final draft. Jason and the boat race in a large forest. Followed a long river. The stretched for about 3 kilometers. There was a young boy named Jason. Jason loved boats and dreamed of having his own boat. One day, his father had a small boat and would take Jason around the forest with Jason to find animals. One day, Jason wanted to go explore outside the forest. He took his father's boat and sailed. Eventually, he came across the field where a bear lived. Jason drove into a rock. Bam! The bear woke up and saw Jason. Unfortunately, the boat had a hole and began to sink. Jason jumped out of the boat and ran as fast as he could. He came upon a group of people who were having a boat race. He asked for a boat and the race began. You guys think you can beat me? Shouted Jason. Thanks to Jason's father, Jason knew how to control a boat and raced forward with speed. Jason won the race and received a prize of 600 rand and decided to buy his own boat. That's a very family story. Uncle Jalen, Jacob, and Jason, please. Jalen, Jacob, and they also think that Jacob and narration and Jason. Okay, you guys are gonna read this story for me. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna hand this camera over to. I'm gonna start reading. But thanks for watching. Come back for part 2. Bye.